What's up, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, coming at you today with a 2016 Ford Focus headlight build that I have now completed. This one's pretty exciting because it's almost exclusively a performance build, but it still has a lot of flash and looking goods for that good OEM plus look. So for starters, we started with an aftermarket housing, which are those chrome ones, and so this is, of course, obviously all blacked out. We have the gloss black two-stage paint job. A MH1 fits pretty well into this housing. That's a 2.5-inch projector, but seeing as how we wanted performance, that means full-size 3-inch projector. So this is the Morimoto Mini D2S. So full 3-inch with the Ford logo lens etching on there is that is a challenge to get into this housing. If it wasn't all blacked out, you'd actually kind of see some of the work, and unfortunately I don't have any of the build pictures because those were all taken on the camera that just got stolen. So I no longer have that camera, nor do I have those pictures, but we do have this product in front of us now, which is good. Also, since the OEM housings have a DRL strip and the aftermarket ones do not, we added in this bad boy right there. But not to be outdone by the OEM, let's see, this is A, way brighter, which is pretty, but B, it acts as a turn signal, but not just switchback, it's sequential. Everybody loves sequential, yeah. So that's really pretty. Again, focused on the performance aspect of this build, we have the Osram Cool Blue Boost as the bulbs, the CBBs. And those are, hold on, let me get those turned on. There we go. So as I said, CBBs on Morimoto 50-watt ballast. So we've got a lot of power coming out of this thing. That should be a lot of light output out of a 3-inch projector. It's going to be real nice. Also, while that warms up, I'll show you the back sides of these things are completely sealed. This is simple. It's just the 3-wire plug for the sequential running light strip. And we also have it all sealed on the back side. This will go into our igniter and then into our ballast. And this is our headlight input. So on one side, it needs the resistor pack, and on the other side just goes into the OEM input side of the Mopar harness. Let's see, normally if I was doing the install, I wouldn't actually have a penetration out of the back of the housing. I would just splice into the wiring itself, but this is being shipped, so I needed it as plug and play as possible for the dude. Let's see if we can get up there. As you can see, it is silly bright because it's in the middle of the day and we still have a beautiful, beautiful headlight output pattern and cutoff. So really, really, really cool. And let's see, we can turn that off and turn that off. And like I said, that's pretty much about it. We did the stock amber reflectors in there. And so if you have any questions regarding the components in the build, read the video description. Information about that will be in there, as well as pricing information and contact information for me in case you are interested in getting a build for yourself. So, by all means, learn to read the video descriptions. Yeah! This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day. See ya!